Hey guys, so I figured I would kind of switch it up a bit and kind of listen to what I can hear around my grandma's house during the day because I haven't done anything like this in a while that has to do with birds or anything. You can hear the neighbor's chickens up there, and I'm hearing a few swamp cicadas around, which is nice. I haven't really got to hear a bunch of those yet this year. I'm hearing a song sparrow somewhere too. I'm hearing a couple blue jays, and there's the swamp cicada. Well, there's a song sparrow right there. I just saw a hummingbird go flying into that tree. I don't see it anymore though. The ruby-throated. I just heard another swamp cicada up that way. I'm hearing a northern mockingbird somewhere. Oh, there's a lizard on the side of her house. That's cool. I hear a northern cardinal somewhere. I hear a blue jay over that way. A couple of them. I think I just heard another swamp cicada real faintly. I doubt the camera picked that one up though. It seems like there's a lot less cicada. I'm hearing a spring trig, it sounds like somewhere. I think those Honestly, I don't care what research says. I think those call more during the day because I feel like that's the only time I hear them. And even in places where there's not as many common cicadas to block out the noise, I still don't hear them like I do in the day. So I feel like the spring trees are just more daytime callers than night. Because yeah, I'm actually hearing some real well from right here. I don't know if you can make it out or not though. Alright. I was saying before, I think the cicada activity is a lot less in my area this year and my grandma's. Because I remember being able to hear a lot more last year. I don't know if it was due to the funky spring we had, where it was hot, cold, or what, but you know. Oh, deers with babies. Oh, I just heard a swamp cicada very far away too. I'm hearing a northern cardinal too, to my right. I can't see him right now. I hear a northern cardinal up that way. Oh, I'm sure you guys could have heard that swamp cicada right there. There it was again. I'm sure you heard it that time as well. Yeah, I just feel like they were louder last year and there was more of them. I don't know why. Let's see if I can see any. There was the swamp cicada again. Let's see if I can see any hummingbirds. She has four feeders out, so. Oh, there's one of the deer. Nice. I'm not seeing any hummingbirds right now, it doesn't seem like. I hear a pretty loud swamp cicada now. And a northern cardinal. And a song sparrow. I think the swamp cicada is the only one that dominates the morning, which is what time it is right now. The hummingbird activity's really been different this year too. I haven't seen many here. It doesn't seem like. I'm sure you guys just heard that swamp cicada just now. It was pretty loud. Oh my god, look at that. Oh man, I scared it. Darn it. It was a swamp cicada calling right here. Oh my god, that was awesome. I know you guys heard that. That was awesome. How do people get so close to him? It ran away as I was approaching. I'm pretty sure that's it right there. That was awesome. I think that's the closest I've ever got to a cicada, ever. That was awesome. I love it. I see a bird circling up there. I'm not sure what it is though. It might be a hawk of some kind. I feel like I just heard it. Oh, there's a hummingbird. I think it's at that one. Oh, there was two of them. Did you see that? Two hummingbirds just went chasing each other through there. And I feel like I just heard one chirp too. Oh, I'm hearing a different cicada now. Sounds like a Lenny's. Oh my, see that? The hummingbird started to light right there on top of that thing. I'm hearing another swamp cicada this way. And a blue jay. And I'm hearing a northern mockingbird down this way too. I might make another one of these in the afternoon just to see if I can hear any different species of cicada besides the swamp. Because I feel like this is the one that dominates the morning hours. I did hear that one Lenny's, but I'm hearing another one. It's a swamp cicada somewhere. I just heard a northern mockingbird mimic a eastern bluebird. Oh my, look, there's two hummingbirds just chasing each other. I hope the camera picked that up. And a song sparrow in that tree. And a swamp cicada. Oh, oh my god, every time I see it. I hate when I do that. Another swamp cicada. I think I might have just heard a red-bellied woodpecker, but I'm not for sure. Oh, there's a hummingbird coming. It's a female. Oh, it's gone. I still hear it somewhere. It looks like it went over here somewhere. I feel like I might have just heard the Lenny cicada faintly again, but I'm not for sure. I know you just heard that swamp cicada. Oh, I see a hummingbird. It's on the wire. It looks like a male. A male. I think I just saw a swallow. Yeah, I do. Can I get it on here? There's a few of them flying around up there. I don't know if the camera picked them up though. I think there might be a couple mockingbirds I'm hearing. Swamp cicada. Let me listen to my grandma's front yard one more time, and then I'll probably end the video here. Well, there's a robin. That's nice. Forgive me if I sound tired. It's because I literally just woke up when I started making this video. I hear a... I, oh! I just heard a Lenny cicada up that way. I hope you heard it. I think the Lenny and the swamp cicada kind of sound similar in a way. The swamp cicada is a lot more quicker though. It doesn't last quite as long. There's a blue jay in that tree. And a northern cardinal up that way. I don't think that was a real killdeer. I think that was a mockingbird. I just heard it. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.